I never thought I would ever make a video on a survey site, but that's what we're going to do. Today we are going to review SurveySavvy, more specifically SavvyConnect, and whether or not it is worth your time. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay guys, so this is the website you're going to go to. As you see here, SurveySavvy.com, but this is what you're going to find. This is the home screen. So what you do is you go here to the SavvyConnect link. And this is what I want to show you because this is what I want to talk about with you guys. So this, if you saw my Nielsen marketing video, it's kind of a similar program. So SurveySavvy, the whole reason that this company exists is because they do market research. So whenever they have a survey available, the whole point of that is to do market research based on your demographics and your spending patterns as a consumer. So that way different companies can know how to target customers better for products. It is what it is with capitalism. So anyway, so back to SavvyConnect. This is what it is. What on earth is SavvyConnect? As we see here, SavvyConnect uses safe, cutting-edge technology to collect data as you surf the web. And while we find trends in online search, shopping, and entertainment, and other applications, you earn cash rewards. So I just want to jump in and tell you right now, basically, maybe you're logging on to Facebook or Amazon or just browsing some websites. What it's trying to do is collect large pieces of data from a lot of different users to see what kind of websites and what kind of online activity consumers are doing. Are they going to certain shopping websites? Are they buying certain clothes? Things like that. So then you would download it here. I have Chrome, so I have already downloaded on my computer, and this is basically how it works. You can get more from every device. So as it says here, you browse the web. So as I said before, if you're going on Facebook or YouTube or whatever, or you're shopping for dresses, it's just kind of capturing that information and running on the background. There's nothing extra you have to do. This program runs in the background. You earn money and then your data is secure. So it runs on Google Play. So you can put this on your iPhone or your Android or your smartphone or iOS and run it on your computer. But I know that some of you are probably going to have some questions and concerns, which is completely understandable. If you do decide to sign up for this program, which is a free program, by the way, and if you have kids and you're concerned about their activity while you have this SavvyConnect program, from what it says here, SurveySavvy follows all strict guidelines on the Child Online Protection Act. Protecting all of our members and non-members' privacy is our top priority, but we encourage parents or guardians to supervise minors while surfing the web. Further details can be found on our privacy policy. And with any website, you should definitely check out the privacy policy. No matter if it's Facebook, no matter if it's Google, you should always check that just to know what you're getting into when you sign up. And interestingly, minors over the age of 13 are authorized to have a SurveySavvy account. So I guess if you're a teenager and you're looking for some ways to make extra cash, as long as it's okay with your guardian, you can do so. And this is a question that some of you might be wondering, what are you tracking? And what they want to know is they're tracking simple usage statistics about your browsing habits online. You simply browse the internet the way you normally would, and we track things like how long you spend on a web page. So this is something that I take really seriously. So I think it's really important that your privacy is protected. Now, there's definitely more things you can read here, but the big thing is you want to do your research on this type of program before you even enroll. It's designed to have minimal impact on your device, and it shouldn't slow it down too much. Like, since I've had this on my computer, it hasn't really slowed it down that much, to be completely honest. I would say it kind of drains the battery a little bit more, but that's probably just one of the annoying side effects of this SavvyConnect program. And yeah, you can definitely opt out anytime if you feel like this is not for you, but definitely read the SavvyConnect FAQ section to learn more. If you do decide to do SavvyConnect, you're going to have to log in. and I went ahead and I have already logged in, and I want to show you what it looks like when you go to the home screen. So this is my information here. As you see, some of it is already kind of blocked out. But one thing I want to say is that with SavvyConnect, you are paid $5 a month. You're compensated $5 a month for them to, for you to allow them to collect your data. And that is not enough to live off of, especially here in the United States, but it's some nice side change. And as you see here, I've made $15 in the past 3 months. Right now, it's giving me several different survey opportunities. But to be real with you, I'm just not into taking surveys. Honestly, I'd rather just use my 10 minutes for my day job. So I'm not into surveys, and there's no guarantee that you'll be qualified to take any of these types of surveys. So before we go to request payment, I do want to show you something that was kind of interesting. So we're going to go to SavvyConnect status here. When we open this up, it's going to show the type of information that's been collected, and it's from my computer, this laptop, my Chrome. My most recent activity was today, and the status, the green mark, is that it's checked. This is mainly running on my computer, but the more devices you earn, you can earn $5 a month from each device. So if you want to do your laptop, tablet, and smartphone, that could maybe be $15 a month. Here is something interesting. These are the data days. This is just my activity on October, and these were the days that my data was captured from SavvyConnect. So as you see, it wasn't every single day, but that did not impact the $5 a month incentive. I can't click on them. I mean, it doesn't really do anything when I click on them, but it's just something interesting. So now going back to this page over here. Now I want to show you something. As you see, I have $15, 15 US dollars that I can request. If I go to the minimum payment threshold for SurveySavvy, it says that once you've accumulated more than $1 US in incentives, you can request payouts. So as long as you've made at least $1, then you can request a payout. Going back here to this page, once you request the payment, you're going to be directed to this link over here. It's going to confirm your mailing address. So make sure you have an updated mailing address, because unfortunately, with the SurveySavvy company, they don't do direct deposit or PayPal. They're going to actually mail you a check. And you want to make sure this information is correct. Once you press continue, it's going to take about 2 to 4 weeks for the check to arrive. So the downside is if you need the money immediately, it's going to take a couple weeks, but it is legitimate, and I'll go ahead and show you these pictures. So as you see pictured here, that is a picture of me and one of the checks that I received when I got it, and that was about 4 months of activity of me just letting this program run in the background. And that's the check. And awesomely, my bank accepted it. It is legitimate. So it is definitely a way to make money. And yeah. So is SurveySavvy's SavvyConnect program even worth your time? Does it work? As you see, yes, it does work. I have been paid, and the money has gone directly into my bank account with zero problems. But just being completely honest, whatever you do earn from the SavvyConnect program is only going to be supplemental, and it's only going to be $5 a month, which if you live in the United States, that is not enough to live off of at all. So like other types of programs that I've looked at and reviewed, this is strictly one that I would recommend if you're looking for extra ways to earn some extra cash in your pocket for supplemental income. Maybe you want to add some more money in your savings, or do whatever you want to do with that extra side change. I think this is a really great opportunity for that. But once again, I want to stress that this program is not one that's going to be even enough for you to just quit your full-time or part-time job to live off of, because that's just not going to happen. Well, anyway, I want to thank you for taking your time to view this video. If you have any other questions about the SavvyConnect program, or you want to learn more, just go ahead and shoot me a comment below. I've also posted a link with the Savvy Connect program, if you want to learn more about that and sign up, we can get a kickback for that, both if you decide to sign up. Anyway, I hope all of you have a wonderful day, and I hope to talk to you again sometime down the road. Bye.